Hey everybody, it's Charlotte with the Wood & Wick Co. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to be talking about how to market your candles online. Once you have a safe product that you're ready to sell and put out into the world, you need to understand how to market it. So, let's talk about my top tips for how to market your candles and reach a new audience. First, know your market. So before you start putting marketing out there, you need to understand who are you targeting. Is your customer somebody that's into luxury candles? Do they care about being eco-friendly? Or do they care about getting a good value for their product? All of these factors are important to understand when you start to put together your marketing plan. So, my number one tip is to know who you are marketing to. Once you have an idea of your niche and who you're marketing to, we can begin talking about what platforms and avenues you can use to target these customers. Social media is an amazing resource and one that I definitely suggest everyone utilizing to market their products. Use Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to help reach a new audience and advertise how awesome your products are. Create a Pinterest page where you can post about your candles and other products and engage with other users. Whether you're using Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or any other social media platform, engaging with your audience is one of the best ways to get them interested and thinking about your products. Next, consider using paid advertising. Google Ads are a simple way to reach many new customers, gain impressions, and brand awareness. As well, you can also get direct conversions to your website through Google Ads. If you're unfamiliar with Google Ads, consider using Google Smart Campaigns, which basically lets Google do a lot of the work for you so that you don't have to understand all of the advertising algorithms. If you decide to use Google Ads and use a Smart Campaign, I suggest keeping it running for at least 2 weeks before making any adjustments so that you can begin to understand how the campaign is working and give Google an opportunity to learn what works and what doesn't with your audience. Next, if you're selling on Etsy, you should also consider using Etsy's paid advertising. Etsy has a really simple advertising platform that allows you to select keywords, and you can spend as little as $1 a day to reach new users and show up at the top of a search campaign. If you're selling on your own website, Google Ads is most likely the best way for you to reach a new audience. You can also do farmers markets or trade shows to reach new people. Most importantly, as I said in the beginning, the number one thing you need to know when you start marketing your product is who you're marketing them to. You can't be everything to everybody, so know who you're selling to and be the absolute best at it. Thanks so much for watching today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Happy making!